Oh. So Adam, are you feeling a little bit hungover from the copious amount of beer we ate last night?
I felt better. I've also felt worse, so it's all good.
Okay. So stay tuned for a video about izakaya food in Nagoya. We were eating in izakaya. We had a lot of beers. And we're just walking around here, and we discovered something that's just completely bizarre and unusual. This right here. This is baked sweet potato ice cream, like soft ice cream. Chris here. I just want to say, please subscribe to this channel for awesome content every week. Kanpai, which is cheers in Japanese, and now back to the show. Now, baked sweet potato is quite popular in Japan. You have those trucks going around your neighborhood. The yakimo. Yeah. Okay, so I'm
quite random, but they're there.
I am the world's worst singer, but they'll drive around these trucks and they'll be singing like an ice cream truck, but not ice cream. It's baked sweet potato. And the yaki is baked, and then sweet potato imo. So, and they'll be singing that it's annoying song. On and on and on. So anyway, I'm not going to sing if we're going to make you hear your ears any more than they probably haven't heard. But anyway, so we thought, wow, we're going to try this ice cream. So here we go. We're going to go give this a try. We're going to order and see what we think. Sumimasen. この焼き芋2つ。これは普通ですか？定番ですか？これ。はい。じゃあそれでいいです。はい。So we're ordering, I said teiban, which means standard one. So they do have other flavors here. They have the chocolate mix. That's interesting. This one, oh wow, it's like yakimo with a chocolate sauce on top of it, I guess. The chocolate sweet potato. Yeah. Then here, the same thing in a cup. So they've got the regular one. This is baked sweet potato. They got the mix between baked sweet potato and chocolate, and this one. 3番はね、どういう感じですか？はい。3番はどれですか？これちょっと。活性炭炭のアイスで味がビターチョコレート。Oh, sumi. So they got this thing like carbon. I
think it's meant to be
chocolate.
Charcoal.
Yeah. So it's carbon. So it's like dark. What is it?
Yeah, it's good. It's usually, I think it's meant to be activated charcoal, but they've translated it as carbon. So it's healthy. It's good for you.
She's gonna make it there, and we're gonna film this. Why don't you go for it, Adam, first? Let me get a close up of it. Wow, show me the other side. Yeah, they got potato coming out of there.
You try it?
Yeah. I'm holding the camera, so you do the honors.
Okay, sounds like a good deal to me. Oh, it's good, man.
Is it?
It's good, yeah.
Really?
It's good, I like it, yeah. You got potato there mixed with the cream.
I would never have tried this if I had not seen this.
It's sweet potato.
Is it really? It's nice.
It's not something you think would work, but it does.
Wow.
It's good, man. Try it in a second.
Yeah, I'm waiting for mine to come out.
I think she's only making one.
1個だけ? Should we share it or what?
Yeah, kind of.
Alright. So spoon more komati. We're gonna end up sharing this. I think I ordered 2, but she's made us 1. Okay, we thought we ordered 2, but we ordered only 1 by mistake. So I'm gonna give. It's got a little. It's slow coming on.
I put that potato as well.
I'm not sure I'm big on this.
I don't mind it. I do like eating all sorts of weird stuff. Though.
It's okay. To me, it's kind of pasty.
It's heavy. It's rich.
Yes. I would say this is a delicacy. Some people might like it, some people may not. But to me, it's just okay. But my friend Adam likes it. So
pretty good.
That is baked sweet potato ice cream, soft cream ice cream in Nagoya. If you're liking this content, be sure to subscribe to this channel. If you just like this, go ahead and put down like. You can pound the dislike as well. Like or dislike either way. comment below, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers, my friends.
Cheers.